Year 12 IPT students. Now I have a lot of notes which I want to read from, just so that you understand fully, and fully means 100%, how far we've actually come on our journey. Remember that collecting all the data, that means organizing into categories that are analyzed for patterns, which are stored and retrieved for later use by processes that turn the RNA and DNA from COVID-19 into chunks that scientists can use to transmit and receive results of testing various medicines and vaccines, which are then displayed to the public, giving us the best hope that we can to beat this virus. And it is with this hope that gives relevance to everything we do in IPT, including but not limited to our in-depth exploration of information systems and databases, including those dreaded schemas, including join rules, including complex SQL statements. It gives relevance to our transaction processing systems. It gives relevance to the systems development lifecycle, the diagrams, the modeling, the questionnaires, the data collection that we're doing, and everything that's to do with technology that's being used both in IPT, but also that can be used to fight not only the physical part of COVID-19, but also the emotional and psychological part of it as well. Next semester, that is starting from term 2, we'll be looking at using multimedia and how that can be used to display and communicate important information. So we'll be looking at things such as the use of the Adobe Creative Suite or its equivalents, the importance of file formats, subtitling, aspect ratios. I can go on and on. Then we're going to be heading into communication systems. Now, what is that exactly? Basically, how does the internet work? Because the internet is how you're learning. And we're going to be exploring together exactly how data from one computer gets to another through a process called packet switching, and what the various devices on networks such as a switch, router, hub, and how they all work in everyday language that you can not only explain to each other, that you can explain to the outside world. Because IT, as with any piece of technology, is useful only when it's used to benefit others. And it is this benefit to others that I wish to impart to you in all my teaching of IPT. So, just to end, remember this. I want you all to remember this. Come on, all students, pat the dog.